guys, I'm gonna do a sausage video, and this one is the one I eat all the time, and this one is the one I eat sometimes. So let's do the challenge where which one's better. So my dad set this up for I don't know which is which. They just look teensy bit different. See, it looks kind of darker on this one, and this one looks lighter. But I still don't know which is which. I'm gonna try this one first. Good. Okay. Now this one. Good. So both is good. I think this one is way better. I think I'm gonna pop up the one I love better. Both. I love both better. So I'm gonna do both at the same time. There. Good. So I don't know which one is better. Okay, this one is just like less chewier, and this one is tastier. Oh my gosh, I thought this one was this one was this one, and I thought this one was this one. So I was correct. Okay guys, this one was a little saltier, and so that's why I like this one. And this one, it was like kind of like it was not so much, I didn't have to bite it so much. So that's why I like them both, and I like this one because it's smaller, and I like this one because it has like salt and it's big, so I got a lot of salt on it. That means. And thanks for watching the video.